In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to add subtitles as well as fonts using ClipScribe on your videos. Now let's start. What is ClipScribe? ClipScribe is a software that allows you to add awesome fonts and subtitles below your videos. I often get this question on how to do this, and it's really a software. It's a paid software that you can use, and this will actually all do the work for you, so you don't have to add these subtitles yourself. Now, how to get started with ClipScribe? To get started, I have left a link below here. To get started with ClipScribe, you can just create an account there. You can choose to pay monthly or annually. Now, once you have created an account, you will see this screen. And I'm going to explain you how to upload a video and then how to move forward with the subtitles and fonts, right? Now, first, what you're going to do is click on My Videos. And here you have the option to upload a video. Now, uploading a video will take some minutes because ClipScribe has to transcript and doing the whole subtitle work and design for you there. So it will take some time. So once ready, you will see all those videos here. Now let's start with, we want to continue editing an existing video. So once you click on the plus sign, you will actually start new video. So you will also land on this page, right? And here you will see all my designs, right? And you can also choose your own design over there, right? Now let's start with this. This is a design 1.1 for perfect for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you will actually see this. Now here you can also choose for YouTube. For example, then you see this, and this is perfect for YouTube, right? Now let's start with editing this one. So we will just open this one, and I'm going to explain you how to change the colors and how to change the fonts, and then eventually how to use the subtitles in there. Now let's start with this. This is actually a basic design in ClipScribe. So let's start. You want to change this color to red, right? So you're going to the top margin, you click on this, and you just click on red over there. Now the same thing you can do for the bottom and all those kind of things. So you can just customize it to your to what you actually want, right? And this you can make it bigger. Can this make it bigger? So you can play around with this, right? And it's actually self-explanatory. If you just go and continue to this, you can just change the fonts also and the size, right? So you can play around with that. Now let's start with the subtitles itself, right? Like I said, they are done for you automatically, but it really takes some time to go here to just see if everything is correct manually. So it will take you some minutes, but it's just to check if everything is correct, right? Now, what you then do, you can add a countdown. So you can add that countdown here, that little bar here. How to do that is you're going back to this, and you're going to click on this sign. Now here you can choose a bar, create new countdown. So for example, this orange one. So it's over there, and then you can just put it in there. So it's very easy. It's very self-explanatory on how to do all this, right? So what you then do, you click on save, and once it has been saved in ClipScribe itself, then you click on make. But it's really important to do this in that order. First save, then make, and then you can download that video, and you're able to upload that video on your social media platforms, and then all your followers will see that it's really professional with these kind of fonts and with the subtitles in there, right? So hopefully this is useful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I see you on the next one.